From The Ascending Way by Merlin, presented by Eleazar Harash. Be ancient. That which is ancient within us is the secret of our spirit. Only the spirit within us knows the methods of anciency. When our spirit sacrifices itself in servitude of people, only it knows the right way. People think that such a person has sacrificed himself for them, but he has sacrificed for anciency. People think that he is close to them, but such a person does not create friendship with people. He is a friend only to anciency, only to the truth.